Hey guys, Ziv here. Welcome to another life hack. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best side hustle, what you're going to get out of it, and what skills you're going to learn from it. This side hustle is all about building your personal brand and why you are the best investment for yourself. So let's start with side hustle. Side hustle is something you do on the side. Doesn't necessarily need to bring money. If you only think about money with your side hustle, you kind of think in the wrong way. Skills are a side hustle if you can leverage the skills later on to get a better job, to get a discount on something. If you can leverage those skills to market a business you work for or that you own, all of those skills are gonna increase your income. So the side hustle itself doesn't need to bring in an income necessarily. I mean, it's handy if it does, but I'm just talking that a side hustle, you've still got your main job. People sort of go, oh, side hustle, it's going to make me a lot of money. That's not what I think is the definition of a side hustle. So here it is. YouTube is a great side hustle. Now here's why, and there'll be lots of tips coming up. So here's why. It's going to get you good skills that can be used in any job, practically in any job in this day and age. You're going to be able to learn marketing, learn public speaking, learn about analytics, monetization, a lot of these things that even if, say, you're building a website for a cafe that you run and you need to drive marketing through that website or whatever it is, you're going to learn about online tools, about copywriting. And there's copywriting in YouTube, you know. You have to write a description for every video. That's a form of copywriting. And you're going to build a database of content that you've created, which is a great resume, regardless of how many views you get on it or if it's popular or not. The fact that you've produced it, you've put it out there, is a skill. You have knowledge and capability about doing that an employer will look at favorably. The other thing is, I think video is the best form of content because from that you can extract audio, you can extract copywriting. Like if you just get a transcript, YouTube will even give you the transcript. Once you've uploaded it, you can get the transcript of the video. You don't need another AI tool, or you don't need to sit down and write what you said. It'll give you the transcript, and then that straight away is a form of copywriting. You can then use that. Let's say you have a cafe business, and you talk about coffee beans and the best and worst coffee beans. You can get the transcript, you can edit that, and then put it on as a blog post onto your website, or as a post onto your LinkedIn or something. From that one piece of content, you can create so many different types of content. You can create reels, anything you really want. So it is the apex predator of content. It sits at the top of the food chain, in my opinion, and everything from there you can then take from that long form content. You can summarize it, you can put it into Word. Anyway, you get the picture. So lost my train of thought. I might have to do a cut here. Then if your side hustle expands, you start getting views. I'm still not talking about monetization, where YouTube actually pays you for your content through their ads. Let's just put that aside for this whole video. We're not going to talk about it. We're going to talk about a side hustle, even if you don't make it on YouTube. You can then get people to partner with you, get companies to sponsor you in video. Let's say I have a brand right now, I could mention that brand name on this video and you'd be listening to it. You can then say my video on average achieves 100 views, 1,000 views, 100,000 views, and you can ask them to pay you for shouting them out in your content. Regardless of what YouTube pays you on the side, you already can make brand deals and you are doing marketing. You are getting experience in doing marketing. They might give you a script, and you have to have content that doesn't have rude words in it. So you're looking after your public image. All of these skills are going to be important anywhere in life. And then thirdly, a legacy. You know, if you have kids, a side hustle for your kids. Lots of people did it. You know, a photo album back in the day. You can spend hours developing photos, making a photo album as something, as a hobby, a DIY project for your children, because those memories are important for you and your children. And this is just gonna help with that. You're gonna gain editing skills that you can use for your family videos. You're gonna leave a legacy where your grandkids can know you. My grandkids could one day watch this and get to know my thoughts and my feelings, and I didn't know my grandparents too well. So it would have been great to see some videos of them, whether I like them or not, just to sit there and watch them speak. So you're hitting many birds with one stone, starting a side hustle in YouTube, videography, editing. You're going to learn so many skills that can be used in any industry. So I think whether or not you make money from it, you're going to be set. It's going to be a great side hustle. It's on trend. All the skills are on trend. It doesn't matter if you're successful on YouTube itself. It's just going to help you with whatever path you take in your career, in your personal life. Who knows? If I die tomorrow, my kids will have something they can, at least something that they can watch that's more than looking at a photo album. And yeah, I'm gaining editing skills. I get to use programs. So much of this stuff can be leveraged with AI now. It becomes far easier. You can edit these videos into reels with AI. You can edit the summaries into descriptions. It doesn't take a lot of time now to generate a lot of content with all these free AI tools that are out there. So it's a great side hustle that doesn't take too much time out of your daily life for the amount of stuff you can produce, output you can produce, especially because it's so multi-skilled. I think it's a great side hustle. So whether you're 18, probably 18 is the best time to get into it, but you're also going to have less expertise and less credibility. But just start posting funny stuff then. doesn't matter. And if you're 60, you got heaps of credibility. You can just talk about your life experiences all day long, right? Stories from your life, whatever it is. So, and people will listen to that, and then you can create a blog and a podcast and all of that out of it, and you only need to really film it the once. So stay tuned, because I'll probably release a podcast doing a similar thing, and I might even show you how I'm going to do that off of a video like this to turn this video into a podcast. So subscribe, so when that comes out you can see my process about doing it. Anyway, I hope that helps you pick a side hustle for 2025 or whenever you choose to do it. Thanks for sticking around. If you like this, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll make more of this sort of stuff. Cheers, guys.